Hop up. Hop up.
Come on, here we are at the beach. It's the second day today. Sherry just loves it. On the heels of a staffy. Not a good idea. Still, we're alright. Sherry! Up, up! Come on! Come on, you good girl!
Sherry.
Cheers! Come!
Wait, Katie, what sort of dog is that?
Brittany.
A Brittany?
Yeah.
Ah, never heard of it.
They are a French Spaniel. It used to be Brittany Spaniels. They've lots of Spaniels. Come here. Sherry.
Cheers! Come here! Up, 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 up! Up, up, up! Come on, hello, cheers, yes!
Very much your fun.
Sherry! Sherry, come and sit! Oh, Tana, you can sit. Sit! Tana, sit! Come on, sit! Sit, that's better. Thank you. Here's trouble. Woo!
Come on.
Beautiful Kawara Beach.